bakery, we create these delicious memories.
The following is a test of the emergency alert system. System equipment. The EAS will provide timely emergency warnings. This station serves the Pittsburgh Extended Operational Area. This concludes this emergency alert system test.
AAA Travel is the presenting sponsor.
How broad do you imagine you're going to go?
Well, right, exactly. I don't, we don't, in many cases, there seems to be a structured object. We might call it a vehicle or a craft of some kind, right? Like the Nimitz case, the Tic Tac, right? That presents to our human senses as a moving vehicle, what we would describe as a vehicle. But I'm enough of a Star Trek nerd, right, to know that distinction between manufactured craft and sort of natural, maybe organism or phenomenon of nature, maybe that's a little blurred.
This is a test of the broadcast stations of your area. Equipment that can quickly warn you during emergencies is being tested. If this had been an actual emergency, official messages would have followed the alert tone. This concludes this test of the emergency alert system.
Has issued a required monthly test for all New Jersey. Active until 12:50 p.m. The New Jersey Office of Emergency Management is conducting a test of the emergency alert system. This been an actual emergency. The attention signal you have just heard would have been followed by official information or instructions. This concludes the test of the emergency alert system.
Dame la mano, vamos a intentarlo, una más.
No, Gerardo.
Had wrapped up his questioning under defense attorneys. As the last witness in the trial, he'd refuted a lot of the prosecution's findings and bolstered his client's case. Then came the prosecutor Wes Lane's turn on cross-examination. Now, courtroom lawyers like to talk about Perry Mason moments when a trial is electrified by unexpected testimony, but it hardly ever happens.
Es un desafío muerto. Les digo que tiene lana para aventar para arriba.
A lo mejor la consiguió robándola.
¿O de otra manera más divertida?
Ay, tengo tanta pena por ella que me dan ganas de llorar.
¿Por qué? Está bastante grandecita y habrá dicho, soy joven, a vivir la vida y a sacarle dinero a mi juventud. Felicitar.
Sin avisar.
Valentina me dice, tía, yo hice caca y agarré un poco y lo coloqué en el jugo.
Las autoridades civiles han emitido una prueba requerida mensualmente para todo de New Jersey, en vigor hasta January 17, 12 y 50 p.m. Eastern Standard Time.
Porque puede ocurrir con otros niños.
30 on 6 ABC.
This is a test of the emergency alert system.
Test. This is a statewide required monthly test of the emergency alert system, originating from the Pennsylvania Emergency Management Agency, Harrisburg. This is only a test.
For cash right now, sell your gold, sell your diamonds, sell your silver and coins for cash right away at AD Gold Exchange. AD Gold Exchange offers the highest prices in the Lehigh Valley for your gold, diamonds, silver, and coins. AD Gold Exchange is a trusted, local, state-licensed precious metals dealer serving the Lehigh Valley for over 12 years.
This is a
AD Gold
statewide
Exchange is
required
conveniently
monthly test
located
of the
at 3340
emergency alert
Airport
system,
Road across
originating
from the
from the
airport. Don't
Pennsylvania
let your old
Emergency
jewelry,
Management
old
Agency,
coins, or silver
Harrisburg.
flatware sit
This is
around and
only a
gather
test.
dust any longer. Turn it into cash right now at AD Gold Exchange. Call 610-443-1700 or visit adgoldexchange.com to get cash right now.
They would. Let me think. I'm going to say it's a little bit lower than 35.
Even lower than 35?
Yes, I think so.
And the actual number of people who would vote for a politician just because their favorite movie star told them to is one. That's all, just one. Well, regardless of
Test.
who won the question,
This is a
it's nice to
statewide
know that not
required
many
monthly
people listen
test
to
of the
these
emergency
something
alert
that important,
system,
Donna. You start off
originating
this
from
game
the
with
Pennsylvania
a 5-6.
Emergency Management Agency,
Within
Harrisburg.
the question, you can
This
change
is
it.
only
An
a
8,
test.
not a good changer up the middle.
I'm going to say it's lower than an 8.
Lower than an 8. Yes, a 7.
I'm going to say it's higher than the 7.
Ooh, taking a risk with that near middle card. No, the risk did not pay off, and it might
Adversity
backfire because Marcy is a
reminds
free.
us of our need for God. I'm so glad that we serve a God.
Test. This is a statewide required monthly test of the Emergency Alert System, originating from Pennsylvania Emergency Management Agency, Harrisburg. This is only a test.
Call.
It's to all 3 credit bureaus. Download the app today.
This is a test of the Emergency Alert System. This is a coordinated test of the broadcast stations in your area. If this is an emergency, official follow this tone.
Test. This is a statewide required monthly test of the Emergency Alert System, originating from the Pennsylvania Emergency Management Agency, Harrisburg. This is only a test.
Former Eagles linebacker
Pointed that out. We do that in all of our loungers so that you don't get caught up in the hymn line and you.
A civil authority has issued required monthly test for the following counties or areas. Pennsylvania, at 9:05 a.m. on Jan 19, 2023, effective until 11:05 a.m. Test. This is a statewide required monthly test of the Emergency Alert System originating from the Pennsylvania Emergency Management Agency, Harrisburg. This is only a test.
You're like, wait, are there really pockets? They are. I love that you don't see it until you need to utilize it. It doesn't add the bulk. You can see on Paulina as well how incredible that jade looks. That's the porcelain rose that you see on Carol, who's in the extra small. She's about a size 2-4, so you can see it there. It is supposed to be not overwhelming, right, but a generous loose fit in that, so you're comfortable with that as well. If you want to jump into that ordering process, it's key in that item number 780002. You can scan the QR code that's the bottom left side of your screen. It's as easy as opening up your camera on your favorite device, your iPad or your cell phone. And once you open that camera, boom, takes you. Good.
A civil authority has issued required monthly test for the following counties or areas. Pennsylvania, at 9:05 a.m. on Jan 19, 2023, effective until 11:05 a.m. Test. This is a statewide required monthly test of the Emergency Alert System originating from the Pennsylvania Emergency Management Agency, Harrisburg. This is only a test.
Cases in New Orleans. See if there's any pattern. Enjoy your Cafe LA.
Test. This is a statewide required monthly test of the Emergency Alert System, originating from the Pennsylvania Emergency Management Agency, Harrisburg. This is only a test.
The total joke. I actually started out 3 days a week, 10.
Test. This is a statewide required monthly test of the Emergency Alert System, originating from the Pennsylvania Emergency Management Agency, Harrisburg. This is only a test.
For the last 4.5 months, and during this time, I lost a total of 40 pounds. Having a total